Disclaimer: make sure that you do not, in any way, shape, or form, take today's method for granted. 10 beta testers did today's method and ended up making $25,000 in total in a single month. That's $2,500 per tester every month, which is just absolutely insane. They were doing absolutely nothing. They've never had experience making money online, which means that this whole industry is completely and utterly new to them. And they were immediately able to make $2,500. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now look at all of these campaigns right here. With these campaigns, you could be making hundreds and even thousands of dollars. And we're getting into that right now. Now, first things first, go on kickbooster.me, and that should take you to this page right here. Now click on affiliates right here, and as you can see, earn rewards for sharing the projects you love. It pays to be a Kickbooster affiliate marketer. Use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. Share your affiliate links through your blog, through your social media account, your email, or wherever you'd like, and watch the commissions just roll in. The more you share, the more you earn. Now, who are your affiliate marketers, you ask? You have publishers, bloggers, influencers, customers, fans, and even friends and family. The steps to being an affiliate for Kickboosters would be: number 1, sign up for free. Then you create an affiliate account in less than literally 2 minutes, and you don't even pay a thing. Number 2, you pick a project to promote. You browse through our marketplace to find awesome projects to share. Number 3, you spread the word. Generate a unique affiliate link with the click of a button and share it with your network. And number 4, the last and everyone's favorite step, get paid. Earn a commission on every pledge that comes through your unique affiliate link. Manage everything with ease. Stay on top of your marketing efforts by monitoring your progress in your personal affiliate dashboard. Track your affiliate link clicks, the funds you've helped raise, and the commissions you've earned. Now, that was just a quick rundown on what the affiliate marketing is like on Kickbooster. Now it's time to sign up, and to do that, just click on Sign Me Up right here. Look at here that it says Affiliate Marketers. I help promote products by sharing them with my network and following. You pick a project to promote, you spread the word, you get paid. So to complete the process, go ahead and provide all of the details being asked. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Your name, email, PayPal email, referral code, which is optional, password twice, and agree to the terms and service, confirm you're not a robot, and then hit on submit. Now, as soon as you've signed up, you're going to be brought right into your account, and this is how your dashboard should look like. Now, on the dashboard, you can actually keep track of all of your earnings and whatnot. all of the details with their respective timestamps. So basically everything that you need you will find on your dashboard, which is just great. Anyway, the next thing that we want you to do is click on Marketplace, which you can find on the left side of your screen. And as soon as you click on that, you should be able to see this right here. This is the web page where you will find different campaigns and projects that you can advertise and promote and then earn a lot of commission from. Now, the next part that we're going to be teaching you is very, very crucial, and you really need to listen and pay attention because we're going to be teaching you how to find the best campaign for you to make the most amount of money. If you don't hear us out on this, you're going to be out of luck. Now, you can obviously see all of the different campaigns, literally hundreds of campaigns just listed down. Like we said, using these campaigns, you could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly and maybe even daily if that's how much you can grind. So our first bonus tip that we're going to be sharing with you is the tip that's going to help you earn up to 5 times more than everyone else. And using this website, the same thing. Now, we want you to focus on the category section of the page that we are currently on, which you can find on the left side of your screen, of course. Now, in order to target the biggest audience you possibly can, you must focus on the health category. Now, not only is it the most relevant topic today, but it is also a topic that will never go out of date or style or hype because it's health, and health is important, and every day we want to know how we can stay healthy, how to become healthier, how to keep away from the virus. That's why the health category is the category that we must focus on. Anyway, once you click on health, we then want you to also click on design because designs are always looked for as well, because obviously every day someone looks for some type of design. Then you can also choose technology if you want. You can either choose all 3 or just one. Now, why technology? Well, every day there's always a new gadget or a new device or a new invention, and all of the techie people, all of the smart techie people enjoy reading about that, searching on that. That's why it's either our 3 options. So you can either choose all 3 or just choose one, but make sure that you stay within that range because these are very relevant topics and topics that everyday people would want to read about or search on. Now, once that you've filtered out what category you want and do not want, you're going to sort it by its commissions from high to low. And to do that, just click on this button right here, and there you have it. What you're seeing right now, though, is the ideal web page of Kick Booster. You'll see the best categories or campaigns and the best categories of campaigns, and it's listed down from highest commission to lowest commission, which is exactly what we want. Now, for today's example, let's say we're choosing this campaign, which is the highest commissioned one, and that's all that really matters. Click on Boost This Campaign, then you will be brought to a web page where you'll read more info. And we suggest that you actually do read about it so that you can say more about it when you promote it. But for the sake of our very quick and short example for today's video, we're going to imagine that we've read it already. And then go ahead and click on Help Boost Our Campaign and make sure that your email is verified, because most of the time once you're logged into your account after you sign up, they'll tell you in this part that you need to verify your email. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. So do that before anything else, and as soon as you actually click on Help Boost Our Campaign and your email is verified, they will bring you to this page where then it shows your affiliate link. All you need to do is copy that affiliate link, and since you have it, go ahead and do whatever you want with it. Spread it to as many platforms as you possibly can. Do Quora, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, findaforum.net, group chats, your friends and family. And if you want to go crazy, go on YouTube even. Like, go crazy as
crazy as you can, and make sure that the promotion is made as clickbaity as possible so that more people will click on it. Therefore, more money will come in, more money for you. Now, the best thing about this is that you can do this with as many links and as many campaigns as you'd like, and just literally watch those dollar bills just fly into your account, and that is basically it.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.